Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World. And today we got another awesome watch face for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store. Now, this one is coming from a developer that goes by the name of AY Watchface. I thought he did a phenomenal job on this watch face. Now, this is going to be one of those watch faces that you could dress up and or dress down in. I thought it was super nice, super slick. But let's go ahead. Let's check this watch face out. The name of it is called AY006 Dark Series. Now, again, I like the theme. I like the layout. I like all the information, and it is going to be an analog/digital watch face. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get pretty much the same look. It's just going to be dimmed down in the AOD mode, but right now you got a black theme going. It's going to, of course, help save on your battery life, which isn't bad at all. I like the look of the analog hands as well, along with that smooth second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. Now, if you look closely at the watch face, you got your step status at the top. Down at the bottom, you're going to get your battery info. You got your date over here, your nice digital time. But the analog hands look super stylish as well. As the premium look to the watch face, you get information on floor's climb, the week we're in, the distance you ran, your heart rate information at the top. So everything you need in the watch face, considering that the watch face can be worn dressy, is right here at your fingertips. Now, if I tap at the top, I will be able to go into my step status info, battery info down at the bottom. Not a bad look at all. Now, if I double tap, I can change the theme in the background. I don't know if you can see that or not, but let me do it again. Double tap, and then it cycles through the many different themes that the watch face has to offer. But check this out, right? It's coming up right there. So you can color the band out if you want to. You only get a couple of colors, right? Black, this color, purple, and also a tannish color. Not bad. Depending on what you got going on and your colors, there you are. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. I would really like to know your thoughts on this watch face. I thought the developer definitely did an awesome job on it. And with that being said, that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.